The National Institute for Innovation and Technology was launched in 2018 with the mission to identify roadblocks to innovation in strategic industry sectors and ensure they are eliminated. Talent pipeline development is a major focus for the NIIT, and the National Talent Hub underpins this workforce effort. A qualified and diversified technical workforce is key to U.S. leadership in our STEM-driven strategic industry sectors. Unfortunately, as we are all aware of, a significant deficit of qualified talent exists and the gap continues to grow. The current system and strategy is evolving but is still not meeting the demand from industry. The National Talent Hub, developed by the NIIT, is a cloud-based solution and infrastructure designed to connect talent, employers, and training providers in strategic tech-based industries. Developed in part with funding from the National Science Foundation Advanced Technological Education Program and in partnership with the State University of New York Polytechnic Institute and the U.S. Department of Labor, Employment and Training Administration, the National Talent Hub is an integrated system leveraging dynamic competency-driven approach which aligns jobs, training, and talent profiles for the purpose of building a wider workforce pipeline, reaching a broader spectrum of experience, education, and personal diversity. Welcome to the Talent Hub. With a consumer-focused gateway, the Talent Hub provides a symmetric experience to bring together the three stakeholders of talent, employers, and training providers. Each stakeholder group is provided a customizable experience, including a user-focused dashboard with movable tiles for metrics and applications within the Talent Hub. At the center of the Talent Hub is the talent. The system and interface is exclusively designed to be a fully integrated system to attract, assess, hire, train, and advance individual students, job seekers, veterans, and employees. Individuals create a lifelong learning profile which tracks all their education, training, and work experience and incrementally increases the depth of their individual competency profile. Underpinning the entire system is a comprehensive competency standards database, representing the knowledge, skills, and abilities employers require for individuals to perform in technician and engineer-based positions. What is unique to the National Talent Hub is the ability to determine the degree of alignment between competency profiles. Because job, training, and individual profiles are all created using the same competency standards database, employers can use the Talent Hub to compare job to training program, and job to individual. Training providers can use the Talent Hub to compare training program to job, and training program to individual. And individuals, as in the image here, can use the Talent Hub to compare their individual profile to target job profiles. And where there may be a gap, they may use the Talent Hub to find training programs to close that gap. As in the case here, the individual determines that they have a 23% match to a target job. The buttons to the right give them more detail, but let's take a look at what happens if they select the button labeled View Training Options. With one click, the individual determines that completion of an electrical engineering degree at a regional community college will advance their skills profile to an 80% match for the target job. Also, another value proposition is the shorter one-year semiconductor maintenance certificate, which advances their skills profile to a 68% match. Here's what drives those insights. In our symmetric design, all profiles are aligned to the same competency standards database. Employers, training providers, and individuals choose competencies and mark a level of proficiency. They may also indicate other related data such as impact, frequency, teaching method, or related work experience. As in the case on screen, a training provider can compare line by line how their competency profile aligns to a target job profile. In some areas, they will find their program exceeds the job requirements, while in other areas, their program may be below job requirements. This insight can drive decisions on additional course development and alignment, adding efficiencies for both pre- and post-employment training programs. Before now, competency frameworks had no mechanism to track how they are being used or to validate their relevance. Traditional competency design and validation requires costly in-person process of assembling subject matter experts and completing detailed job analysis. This resource-intensive process results in static competency frameworks with a revalidation cycle of 4 years or more. The National Talent Hub provides the first truly dynamic, data-driven competency framework. Every job posting, course description, and individual skills profile provides real-time tracking of each and every competency item. At any time, data analysts can click View Usage to determine how and where each competency item is being used. The result is that a wider base of employers, training providers, and talent is represented, and the competency model responds dynamically to the demand of the market. High demand competencies rise to the top. Dormant competencies gradually are phased out, and emerging competencies are tested for demand and relevance. Currently, the National Talent Hub provides the infrastructure to leverage competency alignment across a wide range of initiatives here at the NIIT. The Talent Hub has allowed us to certify community college programs through the NIIT Competency Alignment Program. The Talent Hub currently drives guideline standards for the USDOL competency frameworks in advanced manufacturing and semiconductor. And under contract with the USDOL, an NIIT-led partnership called GAINS, or Growing Apprenticeships in Nanotechnology and Semiconductor, is using the Talent Hub to drive the expansion of employer-driven, competency-based apprenticeships. The NIIT continues to collaborate with a broadening network of partners to build additional structure to our comprehensive competency standards database and provide the most comprehensive and effective competency-driven talent hub for strategic industry sectors. For more information or to request an in-person demonstration, please visit the National Talent Hub at www.nationaltalenthub.com or the National Institute for Innovation and Technology at www.niit-usa.org. Thank you very much.